Most developers waste months on the wrong learning platform, scrolling through endless courses without a clear goal. This is the 80-20 breakdown of Coursera Plus versus the Udemy Personal Plan, so you can pick the right one today. I am going to show you the only 3 differences that actually matter for high-level tech professionals. We will focus on career signaling, skill acquisition speed, and your ultimate return on investment. First, let's talk about career signaling. This is where you leverage platform authority to boost your professional credibility. Coursera Plus is the clear winner here. You gain access to structured professional certificate programs from industry giants. Think companies like Google, Meta, and IBM. These are not just courses, they are recognized credentials for your resume. These certificates directly support your LinkedIn positioning, helping you stand out in a crowded global job market. On the other hand, the Udemy Personal Plan has a relatively low career signal. It is great for learning, but weak for proof. Most hiring managers do not give much weight to a standard Udemy certificate compared to a university-backed Coursera program. The conclusion for this segment is simple. If you need objective proof of your skills, choose Coursera Plus. Second, we have skill acquisition speed. In the fast-moving tech world, speed is often your greatest competitive advantage. This is where Udemy wins. You can jump straight into specific tools like React, Python, or advanced DevOps workflows. Udemy courses are often designed by practitioners who cut through the fluff and focus on immediate execution. Coursera tends to be slower. It is more academic, more structured, and requires a larger time commitment to complete. It is great for deep understanding, but not for the developer who needs to ship a feature by Monday morning. So, the conclusion here is direct. If you need rapid execution and specific tactical skills, choose Udemy. Third, we must compare a learning system versus random learning. This is the hidden 80-20 of educational success. Coursera Plus gives you a clear roadmap. It guides you from beginner to advanced with a logical sequence of content. Udemy gives you unlimited options. For the self-directed learner, this is paradise, but for most, it is a trap. Most people fail because they suffer from choice paralysis. They buy 10 courses and never finish a single one. Too many choices lead to scattered learning and zero mastery. This is a common mistake for tech pros. If you lack structure, let Coursera guide you. If you are highly self-directed, use Udemy's flexibility. Now, let's look at the pricing logic. Coursera Plus is a yearly investment that pays off if you finish multiple programs. The Udemy Personal Plan offers cheaper monthly access, making it the best choice for continuous, flexible learning. The rule is simple. If you want depth and long-term credentials, invest in Coursera. For flexibility, go with Udemy. Here is your decision matrix. Choose Coursera Plus if you are transitioning into tech or need recognized credentials. Choose Udemy if you are already in tech and want to upgrade specific skills fast without worrying about certificates. The real advantage is not the platform. It is the path you follow. Visit the link below to get the full skill roadmap. I am Lawrence. Visit Skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video.